can you QSY to 510? I have somebody on this frequency. This is 9 Alpha Tango 791. QSY 510, please. QSY 510.
510.
Yeah, QSY. How about it, 24 Division, 9 Alpha Tango 791, Gulf Islands, North Pacific.
9 Alpha Tango 691, correct.
9 Alpha Tango 791. 9 Alpha Tango 791. Bring back your numbers, please.
Okay, this is 34 Alpha Bravo 01. 34 Alpha Bravo 01. Canary Islands, yes, sir.
Okay, we got you. 34 Alpha Bravo 01. Canary Islands off the coast of Africa. I think we may have talked before. This is 9 Alpha Tango 791. Gulf Islands off the west coast of Canada, QSL.
Okay, nice contact. My name is Santi, Sierra Alpha, November Tango India, Santi, from Canary Islands. Your little signal
Okay, I got you 3 and 5, Sandy. I think we may have talked before. 3 and 5 here, good audio. I do have some QRM in there. My QTH is off the southwest coast of British Columbia. I'm off the far southwest coast of British Columbia, Canada, on the Gulf Islands in the Pacific Ocean. My name is Joe, Juliet Oscar Echo, QSL.
Okay, Joe. My friend. 9 Alpha Tango 9134 Alpha Bravo 01. Nice contact, Joe. My name is Santi, Sierra Alpha, November Tango India. Wi-Fi support, yes, sir.
Okay, my friend, yeah, your last transmission, you were up to 9S units. 9S units, Santi. Sounding good out here off the far west coast of Canada. And my working conditions here is a RCI 2980 WX radio. RCI 2980 WX radio. D104 microphone, pushing about 150 to 200 whiskeys through a three-element flat side Serio Yagi beam, QSL.
My working condition, coastal quad antenna, the radio Yaesu A91 microphone studio, 100 watts in his mount, yes, sir.
Sounding good, Sandy. Sounding good, Sandy. Nice to make the trip. I always enjoy talking to the Canary Islands. I hope you're having a good evening out there. I'm sure the weather is warm. 9 degrees here, just about 10 degrees Celsius here on the Gulf Islands, with partly sunny sky here off the far west coast of Canada, QSL. QSL, my friend, QSL. Okay, my friend, hey, I thank you. I'm glad we could make this contact. It's always a good contact to work different islands. And like I say, I always enjoy talking to the Canary Islands. Okay, Santi, I'll let you get out there and work some more DX. I'm sure you have some more DX rolling in there to the Canary Islands. So with that, my friend, we'll say cheers in 73s to 34 Alpha Bravo 01 on the Canary Islands from 9 Alpha Tango 791 on the Gulf Islands in the North Pacific. Thank you so much, my friend. Thanks a lot, Santi. 73s.